Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications from the top, swipe down once more, and this will show you all the toggles that I have access to, a couple pages actually, but one of the toggles you will find is the screen recorder toggle. Once you find it, you can simply hold it, at least the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. So here you can just check out what is set to by default. Now, in terms of sound, the phone will be recording just the sound of the phone itself. So if you play some music to the device, it will record that, but will not record your voice. Then we have video quality, which is set to the highest one. This phone is maxing out its resolution at 1080p, so you can't even go any higher here anyway. And even if you had a higher resolution, Samsung is a little bit gimped in this idea that it still will record at only 1080p. I'm basically referring to the S23 Ultra, which has the same kind of record resolution, even though the phone's resolution caps at 1440p instead of 1080. Anyway, below that we have a selfie video size. This is the actual size that will appear somewhere on the screen. If you choose to enable this, this basically allows you to use the front-facing camera as a selfie camera that will be visible on the recording. Then I have show taps and touches, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like. It basically records your touches on the screen as a semi-transparent grayed out, just so on the video recording, once you are playing it back, you can see where your finger was pressing the display. And lastly, we have a location for saving the screen recording. So anyway, we can close this. Let's find the toggle once more and simply tap on it. This will give us option for taps and touches along with these sounds. So you can choose whichever one you want every single time you try to record something. And from there, select start recording. It begins a countdown, which you can skip. And it goes then straight to recording. As you can see, there's our recording. Now we have a couple options right here that we can use. So we have drawing tool, we have the, like I mentioned, selfie. We have a pause button, so this will allow you just to pause the video. For instance, log into some kind of application and then immediately resume. And obviously the last one is just stop. And this will save your screen recording to your gallery application, which I'll open right now. You can see it right here. There's our screen recording, but we can also navigate into albums and it will create an album. Where is it? Or it won't create an album. Oh, there we go. So we needed to press, for some reason, view all, even though we have enough space to view the recent album, but okay. So yeah, view all, and here you'll find screen recording. And that's our recording, obviously. So this will allow you to later on easily find all your screen recordings that you have captured over the time. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.